A 12,000 square meter manufacturing factory of German company Big Dutchman in North China's Tianjin municipality is in full swing. Poultry farming equipment rolled off automated production lines with a few workers operating the intelligent system. Established in 1938, Big Dutchman is one of the world's largest suppliers of feeding systems and housing equipment for modern pig and poultry production. As the company's only production factory and logistics center in China, the Tianjin base, founded in 1997, has businesses involving marketing, production, services, procurement, and logistics. After 30 years of development in China, Big Dutchman's business in China sees an annual output value of around 1 billion yuan, contributing 1/8 to the company's total global output.
China is one of the most promising markets. It has already delivered a lot in the last years, but I think we are still very confident that we can do more. China is still a market where you can say, if you're in this market, you can grow every year double digit.
To meet the trend of China's intelligent manufacturing development and better help Chinese customers manage their farms, Big Dutchman has made large investments in digitalized breeding systems and equipment to enhance its products' competitiveness in China. In the near future, the company plans to build its first insect farm in China to provide organic feed for poultry breeding and extend the industry chain. And it also decided to design a new automated breeding greenhouse to enrich the product portfolio.